Сайн байцгаана уу? I hope everyone is doing great. Today we are going to learn 7 words in just few minutes. Today's words all have same beginning. I think it will make it easier for you to memorize. Now, let's get started. The first word is un, which means price. Un. The second one is unte. Un plus te. Probably you already know meaning of te suffix. It gives the word meaning of have or with. So, now can you guess the meaning? It means expensive, literally with price, right? For example, Dior бол үнэтэй brand. Dior is an expensive brand. The third word is үнгүй. Un plus gui. Gui suffix always gives negative meaning, no or without. So, no price means it's free. You don't have to pay. For example, та үүнийг үнгүй аваарай. You can take this for free. та үүнийг үнгүй аваарай. Now, the meanings of the last 4 words aren't related to the word price at all. But when we add only one letter, and they will have different meanings. Let's start. First one, un plus ge, meaning fox. For example, үнэг маш залтай. Fox is very cunning. Үнэг. Next one is үнэр. Un plus r. Үнэр means smell or scent. For example, гоё үнэр ханхалж байна. I can smell something nice. Үнэр. Next, үнэн. Un plus n. Үнэн can mean truth or true. Let's see 2 examples. түүний хэлсэн үнэн. What he said is true. Here, үнэн is an adjective. The second example, тэр үннийг хэлсэн. He said the truth. Here, үнэн means truth. He said the truth. Here's our last word, үнэ. Adding one more a at the end. It means a cow. For example, та энэ хөөрхөн алаг үнээг харж байна уу? Do you see this cute spotted cow? Үнэ. Үнэ means cow. Okay, now let's review all the words we learned today. The main word is un, means price. Un. Next one, unte. Unte, expensive. Үнгүй. Үнгүй, free. Үнэг. Үнэг, a fox. Үнэр. Үнэр, smell. Үнэн. Үнэн, truth. Үнэ. Үнэ, a cow. This is the end of my video. I hope you learned the words without any problem. If you like this video, I will do more videos like this again in the future. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Дараа дахин уулзлаа баяртай.